Hello there, my sample fashion for today, guys. Ayan. Ayan, I have a new crop top, guys. Ayan, for only 50 pesos. I really love it, guys. This one. Ayan, 50 pesos lang yung bili ko siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, murang-mura lang siya, guys. Ayan, hindi lang siya pambahay, guys. Ayan. Ayan, hindi siya pambahay. Pwede ring pang rampa. Pwede ring pang lakad, guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. So, look. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ang ganda niya. For only 50 pesos. OMG. I'm so happy, guys. Ayan, kasi yesterday, ayan, napunta ako sa mall, guys, na lagi kong binibilhan. And good thing, guys, nag-sale sila. Nag-sale sila, guys. Ayan, tatlo 100. Ayan, tatlong piraso 100, guys. And this one, the blue color, I really love it, guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Oh, ayan. Yung aking pag-model. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yung ating aurahan, guys. Ayan, oh. Pack na pack yan. I really love to, guys. Ayan. Feeling model na naman ako. I really love it. Ayan, oh. And tuwang-tuwa ako sa akin nabili kasi murang-mura lang siya, guys. 50 pesos. Yan, tatlo 100, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. Pambahay, pero hindi ito pambahay, guys. Pwede itong panlakad. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. Ayan, partneran natin ng palda. Palda na may short, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Pwede ito pang rampa, guys. So, ayan yung aking sandals. Ayan, oh. I really love fashion, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Kahit mumurahin yan, guys. Pero, kayang-kaya ko irampa yan. Ayan po. Ayan, sobrang natuwa lang ako, guys, dito sa nabili kong crop top. Ayan. Sobrang natuwa lang ako, guys, dito sa nabili kong crop top kasi it's very, very siya, guys. Very cheap. Ayan, nag-sale na kasi, guys. Ayan yung aking, guys, Ayan. Yung aking sandals. Ayan, o, diba? Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Yung aking pag-model, o, diba? Pack na pack. I really love it, guys. Ayan, o. Ayan, guys. Look, diba ang ganda? Ang ganda ng aking crop top. I really love it. Ayan. Yung aking, pictorial. Picture, guys. O, diba ang ganda? I really love it, guys. Ayan, o. Rapapam, pam, pam, rapapam, pam, pam. Tako'y kayahan, yeah. Rapapam, pam, pam, rapapam, pam, pam. Kuya, kayahan, yeah. Rapapam. Pam, pam, rapapam, pam, pam. Ayan, guys. So, that's it for today, guys. Ayan. Yung aking fashion for today, guys. Ang ganda. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys.